Julia says thank you, and Julia also says, uh, when will the intermediate cozy grammar courses be ready? That's a great question because, in fact, this is we're taking a short break from our Ask Cozy Grammar sessions following this session to film the supplementary videos for the intermediate grammar courses. I would like to say, Julia, that these courses will be ready by the end of the summer. That may be overly optimistic, but our aim is to have those courses ready by the fall, at least for the first of the two levels. The intermediate Cozy Grammar course has a level 1 and level 2. Hopefully level 1 at least will be ready, if not levels 1 and 2. Thank you for that question, Julia. Um, oh, and Julia, one more question from Julia. Julia asks, will they include diagramming? That's a great question because sentence diagramming is a contentious topic among some educators. But Marie believed, and I actually agree with her, that sentence diagramming, properly taught, can be a very effective way to see into the structure of language, into the structure of a sentence. Just when you take a look, for instance, at Marie's Cozy Beach Cottage behind me, uh, a building, any building, a cottage, uh, has a certain structure. Because there are certain pieces in place, the building stands up and doesn't fall over or collapse. Similarly, our sentences are meaningful, convey our experiences, our thoughts, and our feelings because they have a structure. And so diagramming is a very powerful tool with which we can learn to see visually the structure of a sentence. So in the level 2 of the intermediate Cozy Grammar courses, we do include, in fact, lessons on sentence diagramming to give students a way to see into the deeper structure of language, which is not just about sort of sentence diagramming for its own sake, but rather as a tool for understanding the deeper power of language, the deeper capacity of language to hold more and more of our thoughts, more and more of our feelings and experience.